Welcome guys, welcome to the 31st episode of What's New at Rangi. And like every time, this time also we've come up with a brand new collection. And this one's really special because it's got a Christmas vibe, it's the holiday season going on. So we have a brand new edit, things you've never seen before in life when it comes to jewelry, at a price which you can't even imagine for the kind of jewelry that we have here. Very unique, very statement pieces. Stay tuned to us and I will quickly take you through. We have a decent number to start with. So first is this 3D mapped earring. Now if you see from front to back, there's not a single casting for it. It's completely gold. It's an Italian gold style. It looks very real. It's like a big blob. And super light in weight also. Now these are a little premium. It's for around 6850, this one, but the piece is outstanding. Like if you see the feel of it, the product, that it is something like you've never seen before, and this will last you a lifetime. It will never turn black. It's gorgeous, and I'm gonna take you through a few more pieces. So this is our sparkling Tara collection. If you see, these are all pave set diamonds. Pave is basically ulta setting of diamonds. This is a collection from that, very minimalistic, very dainty, perfect to match the holiday vibe. And this one here is for 1650 only. I have one more ring here from the pave setting. If you see, it is gorgeous, very unusual, something you've never seen before. Again, this is pave setting and this one's for 2950. It's a statement ring. These are meant to last you a lifetime. The quality is outstanding and it looks super pretty. I also have these pieces over here. This is a stunning bracelet over here from our Pave collection, Studio Tara collection. It is completely simple, stunning, filled with Swarovskis, only for 2650. Even this one is super stunning. And the collection is unbelievably pretty. These are all prices for the live. On the website they are slightly higher. If you see this product as well, this is the same ring which I showed you, only for 2950. If you see this one as well, this is for 2950. Only for this live on the website they are slightly higher. So if you want it, please order it from the live. Away setting, this one's also for 1550, only just for this live. On the website it is slightly higher, but we want to give a can you stop the construction sound? So we wanted to give an incentive to people who are watching the live. So for the live, this is only for 1550. On the website it will be higher. On the website this is for 1950. For the live it's only for 1750. This is also a stunning pave setting ring. I also have this piece here for this live. It's only for 2650, but on the website it is around 32 if I'm not mistaken. Even this is a stunning piece. If you see the make of it, the finish is outstanding in base rose gold. I'm gonna quickly take you through a few more products. If you see, this is a droop style earring. It's a sea hook style earring with pave setting diamonds. Gorgeous and a super stunning statement piece, only for 2450. If you see, this one is for 2150 for the live specifically. It's actually for 2950 on the website. This is a multi gemstone colored piece. You can wear it with. Even this one over here, if you see, is for 2150. Just for the live, these are all gorgeous, stunning, heavy duty pieces. They will last you forever, all with pave setting of diamonds, a very rare setting in diamonds. This is also gorgeous, very pretty, a bow tie style earring. And this one is again for 26. Quickly move on. And this one also, I'll be showing you these blob earrings. If you see this piece here also, it's a dual-sided piece, so front back piece. It has a blob of diamonds at the bottom. This one's for 2950. I have this piece here as well. It's a drop style earring. This is for 2950 again. You guys can check out this collection on our website. It is live. It's called Studio Tara. Check it out. I'm gonna quickly show you the colors that we have in this over here. We have a very pretty sparkling blue. I have a stunning rose gold champagne color as well. And these are all limited pieces, guys. Once they are sold, they are sold. So if you wanna order it, style earring over here, it's in green. I'm gonna quickly take you through a few more pieces. We have these Studio Tara hoops as well. Spark. So we have these stunning balis, if you see, and they are only for 2350 for the live. I have it in gold and silver. I also have this sea hook style, and we have the same bali in multi gemstone as well. Super wearable, super smart, and the colors are bright and beautiful. I'm gonna take you through these bracelets that we have over here. If you see them, they are stunning. These are the drawstring style bracelets. Meanwhile, this is also a drawstring style bracelet, and this is exactly what you saw in our hand. It is over here. So the prices on the live would be slightly lower than what you will find them. So if you see the product from the live and you want it from our live, then please order it through our DMs. I'm gonna take you to a few of these pendants. We have this outstanding pendant over here. If you see, it is really pretty and the diamonds are stunning. They shine really well. I also have a drop style in the same. This is also really pretty. These are all live on the website. This one is there in blue as well, and meanwhile this we have in a champagne gold, which I've shown you earlier, in silver. I also have this one right here. We have black and blue in this. It is stunning. It's only for 4250. It's an outstanding piece. I also have these earrings right here. If you see them, it's a front back style earring with clustered pearls at the bottom and a diamond on top. It's a beautiful piece. Going back to our 3D halo collection, this is the gold collection, the Italian gold collection which we have. They all are very, very stylish statement pieces that will last a lifetime. And this one's for 4250. I have these hoops in the same with diamonds around it. Can you turn on some lights? This one, if you see over here, sorry about that. I think there's some focusing issues. This is for 4250. It's a very pretty, it's got diamonds in the center of it. And these hoops are really statement pieces. Moving on, I have this pretty piece right here. Again, this is quite expensive, 6250, but it is premium. It will last you a lifetime. These are statement earrings, something you only see in real gold, because the making of this is very, very different from a regular casting which is done. Outstanding piece, only for 4250. And I have these hoops here. Now if you like this collection but you want something super affordable, this is for 2950. So great piece, super wearable, very versatile, very light in weight. And if you see, there's no base or casting anywhere. It's completely handmade, completely with Italian gold. Moving on, I'm gonna show you a few malas right here for people who want stuff to wear. Hold it please. On shirts or dresses. This is a Baroque pearl thin mala. This one is only for 3650. If you see, super wearable on shirts, dresses, etc. Now we have this over here. It's like a real gold mala. It's really long and you can layer it up and wear it. This is for 4250. I have this super thin Navratna gemstone mala and it is long. You can wear on saris or suits. And this one is for 3250. Baroque pearl mala which opens and closes with this clasp. This is for 325. If you see, the gold tar of it looks very real and super wearable on westerns. Is made with semi-precious stones, 18 karat gold plated. This is a stunning piece, only for 3250. Then we have these stretchable malas over here. Now these, if you see, it's completely stretchable and goes into your neck. 2250, super affordable collection. This one you can wear it on shirts, dresses, saris, anything. And this one's one of my favorites. It's got multi gemstone drops, really luxurious piece, super wearable again on shirts and dresses and saris. This one is for 3250 for this live only. If you see the drops of they are stunning. They have amethyst, feroza, rose quartz, corals. Really, really pretty piece, very well made. I'm gonna quickly let you take a picture of the mala section in case you like anything. Please do share screenshots in case you want to see more pictures of anything. Happy to help you guys. Also wanted to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year too. This might be a last live for the year. We'll try going live next Saturday, but in case it's not possible, wishing you guys a very Happy New Year. Thank you for stunning sales and an amazing year ahead. I'm gonna quickly last time show you this earring as well in case you guys want to screenshot it. It's an outstanding earring. Thank you so much. Lots of love to you all. Bye.